Myself Shailesh from Sakar Technosource. We are located in Pune, Deccan. From 10 years we are into software development, and basically or specially you can say we develop the software for a poultry industry. And poultry industry right from parent farming, means breeding farming, hatchery, feed mill integration, then commercial layer, commercial broiler, trading, retail outlets, all the areas of poultry we cover the software development, because we know the domain of the poultry, we have the detailed knowledge of the poultry operations, and we got the informations from number of clients, and from 10 years we are having a very good satisfied clients all over India, in Maharashtra and in Andhra also. So total management softwares we develop for a poultry, right from chicks placement to getting the broiler birds, chickens, and commercial and technical positions of the day by day, with per bird or per eggs cost and per chicks cost. All entire management softwares we give. The softwares will help you for analyzing of the history, watching of the present situation, and to take the future decisions and predict the futures. Their whole software is helping the management to get the decisions properly. And all modules we are having the web based and Windows based also. Just today or this year we are going to implement the complete integrated package ERP, that is enterprise resource planning ERP, or we can say the PRP is a poultry resource planning. That's for poultry industries we are launching, and that is a totally web based online, anywhere from the world you can operate that. Means that will help the poultry to take the immediate decisions, because this is a livestock. That's why we are having good systems and good knowledge, and all over India satisfied customers, right from what we can say Venky's, Zafa, and or premium, and in Hyderabad also Sneha Farms is our client. Sneha Farms, and lot of customers are using and they are satisfied. That's why day by day we are increasing the clients. Our company will help you to put the records properly day by day, and it will give the exact positions of the your all units or farmers, technical positions, and you can say ki commercial position, stocks, and exact costing. It will help to take the decisions. Both we are operating is Windows based, offline and online also. Our company's aim is ki in all over India most of the all farmers should use our application, and they can get the benefits of the system, and they can improve their business, and we can improve our business also. Thank you.